Yo, what is up? So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create or how to sign up your account on the PO Prime Brokers. So if someone gives you the link for the PO Prime Broker, so you need first to, as you can see here in our um, screen, uh, there is a sign up for your name and email and your desired passwords. So if that person gives you a referral code, you can use her or his referral code under this section. Once you create your account, as you can see here, this portal right here will be your verifications. Okay, so once your accounts had been created, so the first thing to do is you need to comply all the verifications under this section area right here. As you can see, click this icon and then click verifications. So you need to first verify your accounts so that uh, there is no trouble in depositing or withdrawing your funds. Okay, so as you can see here, we have personal details, account configurations, ID verifications, address verification. So if you are in Japan, so in the ID verification, you must submit it's either your alien cards or your passports. And the address verifications, if you have a water bill or electricity bills, you can submit and take a picture of it under this section. So if you have no names or your water bills or electricity bills is under your husband or your wife's name, you can use your Juminho or your address. You can take maybe in the convenience or the 7-Eleven for your Juminho, okay? So take a picture of it and submit it to the right here in the level 3. So once all of these compliance are uh okay, all right. So you can now deposit your accounts. Okay, so I'll be making a video of how to deposit using your local bank transfers.